today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Near Mali, Ramai has been named the acting CEO of Caribbean Airlines. Ms. Ramai was the former Chief Operating Officer. She was appointed to the board after the resignation of the former CEO, Garvin Madeira. The board stressed that the appointment of Ramai was designed to maintain continuity, stability, and accountability, while pointing out that the airline will continue to operate its full schedule without any disruption. The country's net international reserves, the difference between its foreign assets and its foreign liabilities, climbed by US $44 million to US $6.195 billion at the end of September. This from US $6.151 billion at the end of August of this year. This was due to a US $37.6 million spike in the country's foreign assets to US $6.22 billion at the end of September from US $6.18 billion at the end of August of this year. Meanwhile, the country's foreign liabilities fell to US $22.7 million at the end of September from US $29.1 million at the end of August this year. For the trading period ending October 14, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Advertising agency The Limners and Bards Limited with 3,336,347 units traded, representing 25.46% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 3,005,681 units traded, representing 22.94% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited Jamaican dollar shares with 1,798,479 units traded, representing 13.72% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On October 14, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $60.13 million purchased and US $42.81 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.91 per dollar, selling the US at $161.73 and buying the US at $159.82. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 80 cents per transaction, with selling at $114.83 and buying at $114.03. The British pound yielded Forex traders $4.89 in profit, with selling at $216.55 and buying at $211.66. For our credit report tip of the day, start by taking action. Pull your credit report, list every debt, and make one payment today. Do the same thing tomorrow. That's how rebuilding credit truly begins. Getting out from under debt isn't just about waiting for things to improve. It's about doing the small, consistent steps that create momentum. Call your creditors. Set payment reminders, track your spending, and celebrate each bill you bring current. Progress happens when you move, and each action you take proves that your financial recovery is already in motion. Take action today. Check your credit, make one payment, and take control of your financial comeback. Moving from financial recovery to being funded and focused starts with action. Sit down today and write out your top 3 income goals for the next 90 days. As a woman over the age of 35, action is your friend. Update your resume, update your portfolio, update your business profile to reflect the value you bring. Reach out to one potential client or mentor or collaborator this week. For professional women over the age of 35 and beyond, these simple steps build momentum, and momentum builds money. Because when you take deliberate action to showcase your worth, you'll quickly discover that money goes where value flows. Moving from financial recovery to being funded and focused starts when you take bold, consistent action. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step forward to your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.